This Fanuc Spindle Drive was malfunctioning, causing serious problems in the operation. It wasn't working properly, and the issue was clear: the IGBT modules were shorted out. We started by replacing the damaged IGBT modules with new, high-quality replacements to ensure long-lasting performance. Next, we repaired the firing circuits, which were also affected by the short, ensuring the unit was firing correctly again. After that, we did a complete cleanup of the unit, removing all dust and debris to ensure it runs smoothly without any overheating. We also installed a brand new cooling fan, making sure the spindle drive stays cool and works efficiently during operation. Here it is, fully repaired and tested. The Fanuc Spindle Drive is working like new, running perfectly and ready for use. We thoroughly tested the drive, and everything is running smoothly and efficiently. No more issues. Having issues with your Fanuc Spindle Drive or other equipment? We can help you get it fixed quickly and efficiently. Outgoing email symbol. Check the description below for our contact details and call or message us today to get your equipment repaired. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more repair videos and updates on professional services.